In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete your Zoho Mail account step by step. If you've decided you no longer need your Zoho email or you're just cleaning up old accounts, I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly what to expect before you close it for good. First, open your web browser and go to mailzoho.com. Make sure you're signing in with the account you actually want to delete. If you manage multiple Zoho accounts, double check the email address shown on the login screen so you don't accidentally close the wrong one. Once you're sure, enter your login details and sign in. After you're logged into Zoho Mail, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile area there, usually showing your initials or a small avatar. Click on this profile section. This is where Zoho keeps your account-related options, and it's the starting point for reaching the settings you'll need. Once the profile menu opens, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it, and this will take you to a more detailed settings area for your Zoho account. It may look a little busy at first with a lot of options, but don't worry, we're only here for one specific action. If a new tab or a new page opens, just let it load fully before moving on. Inside the settings section, you'll want to find the option that allows you to manage your account status. Here, look for the Close Account option. Depending on the current layout, this might be under Account Settings, Security, or a similar category, but it will clearly say Close Account. When you see it, click on Close Account. At this point, it's important to pause for a moment and be sure you're ready. Closing your Zoho Mail account is typically permanent. You could lose access to your emails, contacts, and any data associated with that account. Before moving forward, it's a good idea to back up any important messages or attachments, notify contacts that you're changing your email address, and sign out of Zoho Mail on any shared or public devices. When you're sure you want to continue, confirm that you want to close the account. Zoho may ask you to re-enter your password, provide a reason for leaving, or complete a quick verification step. This is just to make sure it's really you and that you understand the action you're taking. Follow the prompts on the screen carefully. Finally, you'll see the Close Account option again as a confirmation step. Click Close Account once more to complete the process. This second confirmation is there to prevent accidental deletions, so treat it as your final chance to change your mind. After you click it, your Zoho Mail account will be scheduled for closure, and you'll no longer be able to use that email address to send or receive messages. And that's it. You've successfully gone from logging in to opening your profile to reaching settings and finally closing your Zoho Mail account.